Safely kill all yellow jackets and wasps up to a ½ mile without harming any honeybees. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not. Most people don't even know that this method exists, but once you find out what it is, you'll never fight yellow jackets and wasps the same way again. Let's go.
Look at that right there. That'll tear you up.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Look at them all flying around.
That's crazy. It's a lot of them. We got some more up there.
They're swarming all around this thing. Look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh. You got that big one right there, Mackenzie, and you got a smaller one here.
And then we got some smaller ones up in the corners.
Where are they at?
Right there. Little tiny one.
Yeah, there's one right there.
Oh, look above you. Look above you.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Those are around the lights. Looks like there's another one.
Forming.
They're trying to form some around that rafter right there.
They're using their saliva to create the nest. They're coming. Gosh. They don't know what's coming for them. Oh, better get away. Guys, we want to hear y'all's experiences with these things because I know that they can mess you up. Put them in the comments below.
This pole barn is covered with wasps. Mackenzie, how many wasp nests we found in here?
There's 1, 2.
Wait, there's another one right up in these rafters.
Oh, that one's really hidden. See, we almost missed that one.
Yeah, that's really hidden.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe?
Okay, this homeowner called and said that they have wasps up underneath their pole barn. Every single year they're having to deal with these things. They're tired of it. And so we're not only going to eliminate the active nests that are here right now, I'm going to show you what you can do to keep them from forming and coming back. Let me show you what we use to safely kill wasps and yellow jackets and hornets without harming any honeybees. Here's the first thing you need to get. Go ahead and get you some apple juice. I got this at the dollar store. And the next thing you want to get, Mackenzie, this is boric acid.
Oh.
All right. You can buy this at Ace Hardware. You can get it at Home Depot or Lowe's, any of those sections. You can probably get some at the Dollar General store. This is just a 5-gallon bucket that we use in our company all the time. And we make up this bait for the yellow jackets and wasps, and it's safe, okay? And here's what you do. Just get your apple juice and then get you some of the boric acid. Get a couple teaspoons. Boric acid is going to be lethal to all insects in any dosage, okay? You don't have to use a lot of this. As long as you get it in this apple juice, the wasps and the yellow jackets are going to be attracted to it, and they're going to come and they're going to get it, and they're going to take it back to the colony, and it's going to eliminate that entire colony. So get you some boric acid. Get pure boric acid. Don't get any other chemicals added to it. Get pure boric acid. Pour that in here. Just a fine powder. Put that lid back on it like that.
Gotta get this thing mixed.
Mix it up real good. Next thing you're going to want to get your little Coke can, soda can, doesn't matter what it is. Get you one of these and pour this into the can. You don't put a lot in this can. Just put a little bit in there because you don't want the wasps or the yellow jackets to drown. You want them to come and get this and take it back to the colony. That way they can feed the rest of the colony and they're going to die. The good thing is the honeybees aren't going to go to this. So you can actually put this out around your honeybee boxes and they will not go to it. And so that's why it's safe for your honeybees, but it's going to be lethal to the yellow jackets and the wasps and the hornets. So just pour some in here. That's about all you need. And just get you a little stick like this. Get you a little stick and stick it right on down in there. What's going to happen is those yellow jackets and wasps are going to use this stick to climb down, and they're going to climb back out, and it's going to be a matter of no time. Then what you can do is just strategically place these. You can have multiple stations around your pole barn, around your house, and place them in the areas that your pets can't get to. They'll knock it over, but it's not going to be lethal to any of your mammals. There's not a lethal dose for them, but for the insects, it's going to be a lethal dose. And so you can just place this in certain areas, let it sit, and then they're going to come and they're going to start eating that and knock it out. This is going to be how you kill them before they become a problem. Once you do this method, you're not going to have a problem with wasps or yellowjackets creating these type of nests around your home. These nests are really easy to kill. I'm going to show you 2 ways on how to kill these wasps, especially when they're around electrical components or even around your light fixtures. All right, let me show you what I like to use in conjunction with that bait to keep wasps from building their nests around your eaves or around your home. And it's this product right here. It's called Delta Dust. Absolutely amazing. Not only will it kill wasps and yellowjackets, it will prevent them from building their nests back. It will last up to 8 months outside, and also it is absolutely waterproof. This is what we call a cobweb duster. I can put a link in the description below. I'll also put a link in the description below for Delta Dust. What you want to do is you want to take this Delta Dust and you want to put some around this cobweb duster. I have a bulb duster that I already have some in. Put that on your cob duster real good. And then what you want to do is you want to put it around any areas that you do not want wasps to build their nests. There you go. Get it inside these areas right here, because wasps love to make nests underneath these lights. You can get it around, sweep around these rafters, any of these areas right in here. You can get around your eaves, around your home, your soffits, things of that nature, around your door. One of the things that I hate the most is that whenever wasps are making their nest right by your front door or your back door. What you think, young lady?
Looking good. We're starting to get somewhere.
You ready to kill some wasps?
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Let's kill some wasps. 2 ways that I want to show you. One is super easy, super safe. Get you one of these sprayers right here. This is a ZEP sprayer. I love this sprayer. It can spray up to, I think, 20 feet. I mean, it can also spray upside down. I'll put a link in the description below. I like this sprayer. And just put you some water in it. And what we're going to put in it's going to blow your mind. Some people already know what I'm about to do. But let me tell you something. The next product that I'm going to show you how we're going to use is going to really blow your mind. But this one right here, I love to use. Here it is. You see that? Dawn liquid dishwashing soap.
Easy.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Everyone's got that.
Everyone's got this in there. Everyone's got this in their house. If you don't, you need some, right? All right, so just take it. I don't even measure it. I just pour it in there.
Till it's soapy.
Mackenzie, you want to do this?
Yeah.
I'm going to show you how to kill them.
I'm ready to kill them. They need to get on.
Let's shake it up real good. Okay, let's make sure our sprayer works good.
Yep.
Okay, this thing will spray pretty high. Let me show you how high this thing will spray. All right, Mackenzie, let's go wipe out some of these other ones.
Yep. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get this big one out first.
No. We don't want to do that one.
Why?
We don't want to hit that one right there first, because that is a light. You know what's around light?
Electricity.
Electricity. What's inside there?
Water.
Water, exactly right. You don't want to use water around electricity. What happens whenever you use water around electricity, Mackenzie?
We're going to get shocked.
You're going to get shocked, okay? So you don't want to use water around your light fixtures or electrical boxes or anything like that. The next product that I'm going to show you is labeled for that. So hang on, I'm going to show you what it is.
Y'all might be asking how this even kills them. It's just soap and water. So this thing gets into their exoskeleton and drowns them, which kills them.
Ouch. Well, if you can't breathe, you can't live, right?
Yep.
I want you to get that wasp nest right up there first.
All right.
And now when you start spraying, don't stop spraying. You pull that trigger and you keep pulling that trigger, okay?
Right.
All right.
Let's go.
They're dropping like flies. I'm going to use this soap and water mix to get this other nest over here on this ladder. I didn't want Mackenzie getting on the ladder. Matter of fact, if you want to see a funny video of me falling off the ladder trying to get down a hornet's nest, check this one out right here. Hey, I took and rolled off of that thing and still held on to the hornet's nest. Let's go. This is just soap and water right here. I'm gonna get this other nest that's up here between these rafters. And the good thing is that this thing can spray pretty high, but I wanna get it on them quickly. So I'm gonna climb this ladder and get them. The product that we're going to use to kill this active nest up around these lights and around electrical boxes is going to be labeled up to 47,000 volts. Okay, it's non-conductive. It will not arc up to 35,000 volts. PT Wasp Freeze 2. I'll put a link in the description below. We have this on our trucks every single day. We don't always use soap and water because sometimes we do find yellow jackets, and we also find wasps in electrical components, and we can't use water in electrical components. It's not going to be compatible. So that's why we carry this on our product. This is just going to level things up just a little bit. So we're going to kill that wasp nest right now. Are you ready?
Let's go. Oh!
Dead. Look at that.
Dropping like flies.
Dropping like flies. Dropping like wasps.
Oh.
A couple of them got away, but that's okay. We got our bait out now. So whatever foraging wasps are out there, whatever did not die, our bait is going to pick them up and kill them. So I'm not worried about it. But now this is not a threat anymore. Now, let's get this other wasp nest over here by this light, and let's go ahead and knock them out. They're just dropping down, dead, dead. The soap and water doesn't work as quickly as the wasp freeze. That's why I don't always recommend using this type of method. I love the wasp freeze because it knocks them out quick.
All those are dead.
Look at all the dead ones.
Crazy. I wonder if the queen's over here.
You know what? I forgot about this one right here, Mackenzie. I forgot about that one right there. All right, where's that wasp freeze at? Wow, this thing's huge. Wow, look at that.
Better not fall again. Oh my gosh.
I ain't falling again. Look at that. There was a lot of wasps on this one. This one's coming out, pulling him out, look. Oh, look at that look at that one right there.
Oh.
Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that one. It melted its wings. I just pulled this one out. Wow. Yeah.
Look at this one. Woo.
Now these things aren't as vicious as yellow jackets. If we were dealing with yellow jackets right now, I would definitely be in a suit. Mackenzie would be in a suit from head to toe. We'd have gloves on. We would be protected. These wasps are dangerous, but they're not as aggressive as a hornet or a yellow jacket. And so that's why we're not protected. We just got gloves on because we're using chemicals. But here's the thing. Whatever wasp that we didn't get, this bait right over here is going to take care of them. So if they try to make another nest, they're going to get in this bait, and also the Delta dust is going to prevent them from coming back. Now for me and our company, I just don't rely on the baits alone, and I definitely don't always rely on the soap and water, even though that is something you can use We recommend using the wasp freeze. It's quick and you can be up to 15 feet away. It knocks them out just like that. You saw all the dead ones. That soap and water can take a little bit longer to work. But use the Delta dust, use the attractant, use the wasp freeze. That way you and your family can be safe from wasps, hornets, or even yellow jackets, because these guys are vicious and they can hurt big time. On one of the last videos I did, I got stung 3 times by yellow jackets and it wasn't fun. I got stung in the arm and twice in the leg. Was not fun. It hurt for a couple of days. There's a couple of them flying around right now, Mackenzie. Mm-hmm. Not many of them. 90% of them?
Yeah. There's only a few that are out. Not that many, but if there are, they're gonna go get that bait.
You're gonna get that bait. Good job, girl. Boom. My helper right there, my daughter, bug killer.
Yep, we're straight up killers.
This homeowner is gonna be super excited. No more wasps, no more yellow jackets, no more hornets around their house. Let's go. Listen, be careful when you're dealing with yellow jackets, wasps, and hornets on your own. They can be dangerous. They can get out of control on you quick, and I don't want you to get hurt. But listen, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for all your comments and sharing your story. I love the stories.
Me too.
They're amazing. I get stories that are a mile long on our channel in the comments, and I read every single one of them. If you have any questions, email me at info@aerops.com. I will get back with you. I've had several people from New Mexico, California, New York, South Carolina, North Carolina, Texas, Mississippi, Louisiana, and even from my own hometown of Panama City, Florida. I get back with you, and I love connecting with you guys. If there's anything we can do for you, you just let us know. And thank you for watching. God bless.
Bye.